Shifting focus to Punjab now, Captain Amrinder Singh is unlikely to attend the Congress Legislative Party meeting at 5 p.m. today. The Captain camp has said MLAs meet not called by CM. Only 13 MLAs and ministers in fact reached Captain's farmhouse. That is what is coming in at the moment from Chandigarh. He is unlikely to attend. Captain Amrinder Singh is unlikely to attend the CLP meeting at 5 p.m. as we've been reporting. And as far as the camp is concerned, MLAs meet was not called by the Chief Minister is what they say. Only 13 MLAs and ministers reached Captain's residence. So clearly it shows that Captain doesn't have as much strength and numbers behind him at the moment going into that 5 p.m. CLP meeting, which he of course is unlikely to attend. Anand, my colleague, is in fact joining me live on this. Anand, as we've been discussing, absolutely unlikely that Captain Amrinder Singh will be attending that CLP meeting, which has been called at 5 p.m. and only 13 MLAs and ministers in fact reached his farmhouse for that meeting. So he really doesn't have the numbers. His position is increasingly becoming untenable as we speak.
Well, yes, the numbers are not there with Captain Amrinder Singh. That is the reality. What we are seeing in Chandigarh at his residence also, not many MLAs have turned up. And this is what we have been saying, that those MLAs who go to his residence, despite the party high command telling them not to do so ahead of the CLP, risk their ticket candidature when the state election committee meets to finalize candidates for the upcoming election. So these MLAs are very close loyalists of the Captain Amrinder Singh. They will sail and sink with Captain Amrinder Singh, it is believed. And no wonder not the majority of the MLAs have gone there. Most of them will be turning up for the CLP meeting, which has been convened by the party high command, for which the party central observers and the party in charge are already there at the Punjab Congress Bhavan. And also, we are told that Captain Amrinder Singh will not be attending this CLP. This is what our sources have told us. Captain Camp says that since the meeting has not been convened by the Chief Minister, who is authorized to convene any such meeting, he will like to skip this meeting. So, it's writing on the wall, Paulomi, that definitely there'll be a decision against Captain Amrinder Singh at the CLP meeting, which is to take place at 5 p.m. And we might see a change of face at the top in Punjab government very soon.
Right, Anand, if only 13 MLAs and ministers have reached its farmhouse in order to extend or showcase their support, even though they say that the Chief Minister didn't ask for them to come there, at the CLP meeting, like you said, it is the writing on the wall. Do you think Captain Amrinder Singh could be taking a decision ahead of that CLP meeting rather than go into that meeting and possibly get embarrassed?
Well, we are being told, that there is some sort of a huddle in the Captain camp. They are trying to figure out as to what should be the next step forward. There was also a word that, some of the supporters of Captain Amrinder Singh were of the view that he should respectfully tender his resignation even before the 5 p.m. CLP to avoid any kind of embarrassment at the CLP. Remember, it is the same MLAs who had elected him as the CLP leader in 2017. So it will be very embarrassing. And this was what was suggested by the party high command as well, that given the fact that he has lost the confidence of majority of the MLAs, it would be conducive enough for him to step down and make way for a new leader respectfully. So, they are still in a huddle. We are still to learn from as to what will be the next step very soon that will come out. But our sources are also telling us that Captain might drive down to the Governor House once this meeting, which is taking place at his residence, is over. That is one possibility. The other possibility, which is dangerous for the Congress party, which the Congress party high command also fears, is Captain Amrinder Singh might go in for a request for dissolving the assembly. So that likelihood is also there, but it's still a bit far-fetched. We are yet to learn from what will transpire in this meeting, which is taking place between Captain and his close loyalists, which includes MLAs and the ministers of his cabinet.
Right. Anand, stay on with us. Consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai also joins us on the phone line right now. A couple of scenarios over there that Anand painted for us, Rajdeep. One, that Captain could dissolve the cabinet and, there could be President's rule in Punjab. Second, that he could just wait for what the CLP decides, or he could just preempt what is possibly the decision of the CLP and go ahead of that meeting at 5 p.m. to Governor House and submit his resignation? What do you think is most likely?
You know, Paulomi, one thing is very clear now. The captain does not have a support of the majority of the MLAs. In fact, now what Congress leadership sources are telling us here in Delhi is that they have the signatures or the support that the CLP meeting will be attended by at least 60 of the Congress's 80 MLAs, if not more, and they have that the decision to change leadership is supported by at least 60 of the 80 Congress MLAs. So given that, it appears that the aim is to gradually isolate captain and reduce his options. Two options have been mentioned, possibly going to the governor and recommending dissolution. But Supreme Court verdicts are very clear that a chief minister who has lost the majority in his legislature party, can he go and recommend dissolution? Can that be accepted by the governor? The second option for Captain Amrinder Singh would be to simply accept his defeat for now, swallow his pride, take a step back and then think about his options in the next 4 to 6 weeks. Can he go in for some kind of future realignment? The third option, of course, would be that captain decides to sort of rebel, revolt and sort of take on the Congress leadership. That appears unlikely right away. What is increasingly happening, it seems, is that a majority of the CLP now is in the mood for a change. Given that, the captain will have to decide, does he want to fight the Congress leadership today when he doesn't have a majority, or wait and bide his time? So we'll know that in the next couple of hours. Dissolution seems very difficult unless the BJP and the governor also choose to play ball. Joining the, realigning yourself with the BJP also is tough for captain, given the fact that this is the one state where there is a strong anti-BJP sentiment that we've seen throughout the farmers' agitation. So the captain's options now are shrinking a bit, but knowing him, I do believe that he will fight. If not today, he will wait for another day. He's not going to go down quietly.
Right. So you're saying that, of course, a captain will fight it out. He will go down fighting if he has to. So that is, of course, one of the conclusions that we can draw in the way that he is, of course, meeting with legislators who are loyal towards him at his farmhouse as we speak. Not many of them, just about a couple of dozen MLAs who've reached his farmhouse at the moment, as is being reported by my colleague Manjeet Sehgal from the ground. But that CLP meeting at 5 p.m. in Chandigarh is going to be extremely crucial in deciding Captain Amrinder Singh's fate. Rajdeep Sardesai and Anand Patel, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details and your perspective on what's playing out in Chandigarh as we speak. We'll continue to come back to you.